Good afternoon, everybody. Happy Father's Day to all of our caddy daddies out there. So we are tearing the carpet out of the 59 today, and so far the floors look fantastic. That's beautiful red oxide primer factory. We're gonna wire brush all the floors. My mom found something really cool in a Gotham Gold Cadillac. What'd you find?
A gold cat eye marble.
Beautiful.
Very
Old.
iconic for
Yeah.
the 50s and 60s.
Mm-hmm.
It's beautiful. It's dirty.
Yep, we're gonna clean
But
it up
it's
and keep
very
it
cool.
as a souvenir of the car.
Heck yeah.
All right, so I'm gonna set you guys up on the tripod and we're gonna get started on this carpet. We've got our gloves on, we're ready to roll. Thanks for joining the video. All right, so we got all the carpet ripped out. Now it is time for a wire brush and a vacuum to see what we're dealing with. It looks really solid to begin with. Like I said, you'll find out obviously when we take a wire brush to it. Definitely not seeing any holes under the back seat. The back seat area looks really solid. And the front, like I said, I can't tell yet because it's too dirty. It's full of a lot of dirt and stuff. So get the vacuum and be back with you guys in a minute. All right, so all the carpet's out. I just kind of did some quick wire brushing, not even as much as what we're gonna do. We are gonna need some floor pans. They're not gone all the way by any means. The tunnel where the transmission goes and all of the firewall is completely solid. Just have a few little holes like what you can see right there throughout, just on the very flat part of the pan. Got some right there. We're gonna take this off right now and look at the edges. Kind of the same in the back, not under the seat. The seat is perfect, but like right there, you can see part of the seam. You can see some daylight coming through. So gonna order some pans. Not the first time we've done this, but definitely not displeased. I mean, what can you expect for an all original car? But it'll be an easy fix. So we're gonna take those side pieces off right now.
For 59.
And at least, yeah, for a 59, I mean, and our rockers are perfect. Absolutely perfect. And the door jams and all that kind of stuff.
That one over there has been repaired, so.
Here's the passenger side of the floor. This one's definitely better. We only have that to deal with. A little bit right there. But again, it'll be easy. So, of course, my dad wanted to put his 2 cents worth in, and I wasn't going to do all the wire brushing today, but he got in there and got it all done. So they look really good. Like I said, just a couple patches on each floor pan. They don't need all new floor pans by any stretch of the imagination. Found this too under the front seat, pretty cool, a mobile gas sticker, but the Pegasus, as everybody knows. But anyway, when he is done, I will show you guys, but they look really nice. Took the side pieces off the where the body is welded together. I mean, it just looks beautiful. Very solid, very nice. Like I said, just a couple patches here and there, as you guys can see. Order some pans, take care of that. But I'll show you guys the finished product in a minute. We are done for the evening. I just put some more parts in the trunk. We're collecting them all in here for now. I just love to watch this trunk work. Coolest thing ever. So my dad lubed and cleaned the tracks on the front seat, and now the one driver's side that was sticking a little bit is not sticking anymore. It works perfectly. He got the floors really, really spotless. I didn't know we were going to all that extent today, but we are going to start repairing the floors. As you guys can see, not that bad at all. Just the very center parts where your feet go. Not a concern. Under the seats are beautiful, which is good because those can be a little tricky with all the folds and the bends in the metal. But there's the underside of our seat. All the springs look to be good and intact, because a lot of times with classic cars, when you're going to do redo seats and they have to do spring work, that makes the cost go up like significantly. And then the package tray, my mom did that. Ripped out all the stuff on the package tray, not rusty. It's all there. Let's see if we can get you guys a little better shot. Just surface rust, but no like holes. I've seen it before on 59s where the package trays are just gone. And that's really sad when they're like that. So anyway, thank you guys for tuning into the video. See you next time as we continue to work on this 59. Take care, everybody.